fetal bradycardia. And if it is say 170, 180 for continuous 2 readings or 3 readings, then that is called as fetal tachycardia. Okay. Now coming on to the amniotic fluid. Amniotic fluid record the color of the amniotic fluid at every vaginal examination. Here we write the this initials. For the we can't write the whole sentence, so we will write the initial. I means membranes are intact, not yet ruptured. C means the membrane already ruptured, but the fluid is clear. M means meconium stained. B means blood stained. This particular is very important because it will come in exam. In your senior exam, it came. Most of the students were able to answer, but some points they were not able to answer. So this is very scoring, easy scoring, or it will be in your exam for sure. B means blood stain. What do you can say when the meconium is blood stain? What does that mean? Meconium stain, what does that mean? And blood stain, what does that mean? Meconium stain, say M, what does that mean? If you are doing PV examination, suppose patient is 4 cm dilated and fetal injury which is M. M means meconium stain. Have you heard of meconium aspiration syndrome? Huh? M means there is indication that fetus is undergoing any asphyxia or anoxia. Oxygen level is come, then only the baby comes under stress and it excrete the meconium. Meconium is excreted. It will, the whole amniotic fluid be stained, meconium stain. So whenever we see meconium stain like that, we will be alerted that this is patient, the baby is going into hypoxia. There can be hypoxic injury. If suppose patient is 3 cm dilated and there is meconium stain thick, that depends on, that is not plotted in this graph, but thin, thick is very important. If that is just slightly greenish, light greenish, and she is already 8 cm dilated, that doesn't matter. Baby will be delivered in 2 hours, okay, 1 or 2 hours. But suppose she is only 3 cm or 2 cm, meconium is thick, the liquor is thickly stained with meconium. That means the asphyxia or hypoxia has started, but there is the delivery will take a lot of time. By that time, the baby might aspirate the meconium, and meconium aspiration syndrome might occur. So then we will have to accelerate the process of delivery or terminate the delivery. In many of the cases, we will have to do cesarean section to terminate the pregnancy. Okay, that's why meconium stain is very important. Thin hai, thick hai, what is the dilatation of the cervix, where is the descent of the head, it is very important. And what did the B stain indicate? That there is some kind of antepartum hemorrhage. Or there are 2 types of antepartum hemorrhage. Class तो हो गया ना? हाँ? Placenta previa, very good. And abruptio placentae, very good. Suppose patient is polyhydramnios, and you have done ARM, artificial rupture of membrane. There is very common finding of abruptio placentae. Because placenta previa is already normally diagnosed, or we will do PV examination, there is already diagnosed. On placenta previa में PV करोगे कि नहीं? नहीं करेंगे. We will not do in central placenta previa. PV examination is contraindicated. We will not do PV examination. But suppose there is a blood stain liquor, that means because she is not placenta previa, she might be having abruptio placentae. There is some hemorrhage behind the placenta. Okay, so we will get alerted. So these both things are very important. Meconium stain liquor, blood stain liquor, very important. Then comes the molding. Molding. There are the different grading of molding. Here, recording of the degree of molding. What is molding? जो obviously fetal head देखा होगा, fetal head में sutures होते हैं, and मान लो this is the fetal head और 2 parietal bones are there. So we can palpate the parietal bones and the sagittal suture. So the suture are normally separated or touching or overlapping, or when slightly overlapping we can separate it with fingers, but if it is tightly overlapping we can't separate it. That means the molding is of grade 3. So here it is, bones are separated and sutures can be easily felt. Sutures are opposed, sutures overlapping but reducible, sutures overlapping not reducible. Okay, तो इसका एक mnemonic है stone. S means separated, T means just touching, O means overlapping but that is separable, N means cannot be separated. Okay, this is 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 grading. Okay, the presence of increasing molding of the head indicates there is some degree of CPD, cephalopelvic disproportion in the pelvis. Okay, the molding is a state of reduction or loss of space between the skull bones. Suppose the patient is having a slight degree of CPD, there is pelvis is slightly less, diameter is slightly less than the normal. So if baby's fetal head can slightly adjust, slight molding can be there and baby can deliver. But there is a higher grading of CPD, then obviously baby cannot deliver, it will get stuck and overlapping will be such that we will not be able to separate the sutures. That is the bad indication. That means that is going into obstructed labor. Then we have to terminate in other method, not vaginally. We might need to do cesarean section. Then coming on to the cervical dilatation. Cervical dilatation, it is assessed with a cross after 4 centimeter. This is the one square indicates how much? One big square indicates how much? 1 hour. Okay. Each square indicates 1 centimeter of cervical dilatation, and this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Here it is the time in hours, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, and here it is the cervical dilatation. 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 and 10. 10 means ki after 10 delivery will occur. Okay, and this is the descent of head. Suppose she has come around 2 p.m. She was 4 centimeter dilated. We will write one cross over here, and time we will write at 2 p.m. Then we will assess, say, after 2 hours. Okay, 2 p.m., 3, 4. Okay, 4 p.m. we have seen it is around 6 centimeter. Okay, here we will write the cross and join it. That means it is going normally, it is just on the alert line. We don't need to do anything. But suppose after say 4 p.m., after 6 p.m, it is, suppose at 6 p.m, it is say still 6 centimeter. That means it is not progressing normally. We need to do something. Patient was having clear liquor. She is 6 centimeter dilated. Already 2 hours has passed. She is still at 6 centimeter. Then what can we do? We have to see 3 things: the power, the passage, and the passenger. Power means ki power is in your hand. Power means ki uterine contraction. To enhance or augment the uterine contraction, what we can do? We can give oxytocin, or if suppose membranes have not yet ruptured, we will do the artificial rupture of membrane. That can also augment the labor. So we suppose we have given oxytocin at 6 p.m. We have given oxytocin, and then when examined after say 2 hours, we examined at around 6 के बाद क्या आएगा 8 p.m. 8 p.m. we have examined, she is still 6 centimeter dilated. Then what you will do? 6 centimeter है तो कहाँ पे आएगा? यहाँ पे आ गया. एक्शन तक 4 घंटा ऑब्जर्वेशन माने? This is the 4 hours gap only. 4 घंटा gap है. But you have to examine according to the need. We can examine earlier also. We can examine after 4 hours gap also. ठीक है? So suppose अब at 8 p.m. it is still 6 centimeter. That means it has come. यहाँ पे था 2 3 यहाँ पे, it is still 6 centimeter dilated. It has come on the action line. Then what you will do? Huh? Cervical dilatation is 6 centimeter. What you will do? That means already 4 hours have passed, you have already augmented the labor, but still dilatation is 6 centimeter. Can you dilate the cervix? No, that is not in your hand. In your hand only power is there, not passage or passenger. The power you have already done, you have augmented the labor. What you can do now? हाँ প্যাসেঞ্জার খেয়াল রাখতে হবে কি করে কি অন্য কি করবে what you will do obviously you have to deliver but not just because it is on the action line will not do the same section at that moment only. Many times we will see 1 to 2 hours depending on the condition. If the Likert is normal, fetal heart rate is very good, then we can see for 1 to 2 hours, we can monitor for 1 to 2 hours. But after that also, suppose ki 2 hours ke baad 10 pm may be same condition hai, 6 pm so 6 centimeter hi hai, then you have to obviously deliver the terminate the pregnancy, or you have to what you will do if the dilatation is 10 centimeter, if descent is not good, then you can apply forceps or you can use ventouse. But if dilatation is only 6 centimeter or 4 centimeter, then obviously only one option is the cesarean section. You have to do cesarean section. So this is cervical dilatation. Then comes the descent of the head. Descent of the head, there is different opinion in different books, but the true opinion is the oldest one is it is divided into the 5th part. There are 2 methods to assess the descent of the head. One is the abdominal method and other is the vaginal method. In abdominal method, we use the 5th of the finger, 5 by 5, 4 by 5, 3 by 5, 2 by 5, and when it is engaged, it is 2 by 5. When it is in the pelvis, that is 0 by 5. Okay? So that is in the 5th of finger. But in practically, when we examine the patient, we do the PV examination, or that is done according to the ischial spine level. Ischial spine is taken at 0, and above ischial spine it is -1, 1 centimeter above ischial spine is -1, 2 centimeter above ischial spine is -2, 1 centimeter below. Suppose this is ischial spine, this is taken as 0, 1 centimeter above होगा तो -1, और 2 centimeter above होगा -2, 1 centimeter below +1, or 2 centimeter below +2. Around +2 it is in the introitus only. What we say is crowning, that is in introitus, +2. Normally +2 is in the introitus only. Okay, that means it will be delivered. But if it is stuck in +1 or 0, that means it has not descended properly. This is the PV examination, but that is not plotted in the graph. In some books, it is given that this is plotted in the graph, like here it is the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is according to 5th of finger. In many books, it is given ki 3 is taken as 0, it is taken as +1, it is it is taken as -1, it is taken as -2, this is taken as +1, this is taken as +2. But this is not the correct thing. Actually, partograph was the descent of head was plotted according to the 5th of the finger. This is the 5th finger. This is 5 by 5. Whole of the head is above, and this is 4 by 5, slightly below the pelvic brim. 3 by 5. The sinciput is palpable, but occiput is not palpable. And 2 by 5. Sinciput is slightly palpable, and occiput is not palpable. And after 2 by 5, that is means that is engaged. 1 by 5, sinciput is filled, occiput is not filled. And 0.5 means none of the sinciput or occiput is filled, head is not filled, 0 by 5. This is plotted in the partograph. And now coming on to the uterine contraction. Uterine contraction is main we see the frequency of the contraction, and that is the intensity, how intense is the contraction. That you can say it is good contraction or bad contraction, good uterine contraction, bad. First is the weak weak means ki we see we plot a dot 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 dot, that is weak, that is it is less lasting for less than 20 seconds. Moderate means it is lasting for 20 to 40 seconds. Good means that is lasting for more than 40 seconds. And it is 5 squares are there. That means how many contractions are in 10 minutes. Suppose if you have plotted, colored the two boxes, that means there are 2 contractions in 10 minutes. Suppose you have colored 4 boxes, that means there are 4 contractions in 10 minutes. And suppose you have colored all the 5, that means 5 contraction in 10 minutes. This is the frequency, how many times are the contraction in 10 minutes. कि तो 10 minutes में करते हैं. कैसे करोगे uterine contraction कैसे देखते हैं? कभी देखा किसी पेशेंट में? नहीं. अब देख भी नहीं पाओगे यहाँ पे. हाँ? हाँ હોય નહીં. હોય છે কিন্তু সেই সময় তোমাদেরকে ডাকা অত হয় না কি তোমাদেরকে ডাকা হবে তখন ডেলিভারি হয়ে যাবে আগেই. যা হয়. How you will examine the uterine contraction. Suppose मैं liquid में ज़्यादा अच्छे दिखा पाएंगे. Suppose this is the patient. I'm on the right side. This is the patient. Okay. Here is the head of the patient. This is the abdomen, and here is the leg of the patient. So she's having the labor pains. So I will place my palm over the fundus. Okay. When it is contracting, so you can see that as the abdomen is becoming tighter than the earlier, and you will not be able to poke your fingers in the uterus. Okay, in the abdomen. Sorry, that is the uterus only. In the abdomen, you will not be able to poke your fingers in the abdomen. That means she is having good uterine contraction. Then you will watch your for how many seconds it is lasting. It will lasting for 30 seconds, 40 seconds, whatever. You will record that. And কখন start হচ্ছে? Patient normally you will place your hand. Many times, most of the time, patient will tell कि my contraction is starting. They can feel, they can tell you. But many times, if contraction is not that severe, he might not tell you. You can, when you are placing. Earlier, when we were doing PG, I have done PG DGO from AMU, Central University. There we had to monitor the labor pains, but here it is not possible. We don't monitor over here, but normally we used to monitor. We have to stand for 10 minutes. 10 minutes में तुमको patient के बगल में खड़े रहना है, monitor करते रहो. जो भी काम है छोड़ के monitor करते रहो, ठीक है? और उसमें तो पता ही चलेगा कब contraction आ रहा है. Obviously, when it is getting harder, when it is relaxing, the relaxing you will be able to poke your fingers. Or when it is contracting, you will not be able to poke your fingers. That is differentiation. But when you will examine the contraction, you will be able to very well. You will be able to judge if it is contraction or not. Okay. Or what is the difference between false contraction and true contraction? Sorry, false labor pain and true labor pains. True labor pains will intensity will increase with time, the frequency will increase with time. It can occur every 15 to 20 minutes, and later on it will occur every 10 minutes. Then later on the frequency will increase more. And false labor pain is not that systematic. It will not increase systematically. Frequency will not increase. She might get 2 or 3 contraction in one day. That is not true labor pain. And it will subside on taking medication, false labor pain, and true labor pain will not subside on taking medication. Okay. So here we plot the uterine contraction. Then next comes the oxytocin. जिसके पास ग्राफ है वो देखो oxytocin. Here it is unit per liter. Suppose I have I earlier told you at 6 p.m. I started the oxytocin. So suppose first we have given 5 unit international unit oxytocin. Here I will write the 5 and drops. Suppose I have started 10 drops per minute. So I will write 10 here. Then after half an hour again I will monitor and I will write this. If I have increased the oxytocin, suppose I have given 10 unit. Normally we don't give 10. We normally start with 2.5, then increase to 5. Maximum here we give 5 only. We don't give 10 unit oxytocin. And what we do in 500 ml NS or RL, we inject 1 ampule of oxytocin. 1 ampule is 5 international unit. And droplet is set after that. Then comes the drug. Any drug given, suppose she was having pain, then you have given injection routine, or you have given she is on say antihypertensive drug you have given. Suppose you have given. No, just if that is not progressing normally. Suppose I gave the example na, the patient was 6 centimeter dilated, after 2 hours also the dilatation was same. Then to augment the labor, we can give. If she is progressing normally, if she is to increase the power. If the power is already normal, going well, the labor is progressing well, you don't need to give oxytocin in every case. Suppose patient आया तुम्हारे पास, she is 6 centimeter dilated, she is having good contraction. 2 hours में delivery हो गया patient का, she was multiparous. You don't need to give anything. ठीक है? बस what you need to give after delivery क्या दोगे? Third stage of labor में क्या दोगे? After delivery of placenta? ये MTSL पढ़ा है? नहीं. ठीक है, पढ़ा देंगे बाद में. Oxytocin, we give 10 international unit of oxytocin IM after delivery of the placenta. Sorry, after delivery of the baby. ठीक है? सब patient में देंगे. Then we will do what we will do? Control cord traction. We remove the placenta by control cord traction, and we will do delayed cord clamping in 1 to 3 minutes. Here we can document any drugs given in during the labor. Suppose she is having high BP, we will give labetalol. If she is having excess contraction, we can give Drotin, injection Drotin. So we will document it here. Then monitoring the maternal condition. What we will monitor? Pulse every 30 minutes, and it is marked with dot. Blood pressure recorded in the vertical line, and every 4 hours it is monitored. Temperature is recorded every 2 hours, and urine volume analysis for protein and acetone is done, and every time urine is passed. So here we will write, suppose patient is having BP 130 by 80. So what we will do, like 2 PMP 130 by 80, the systolic we will place one dot over here and 80 dot here. We will do make one vertical line and we'll make one arrow here and arrow here. So this is the BP range of the patient. And what we'll do for pulse, suppose pulse is now 90, then after half an hour it was say 100. So we will plot in dots like fetal heart sound. We will plot in dots and join the dots. And in temperature, what we will do? We will just write the temperature like 38 degrees Celsius, say 39 degrees Celsius. We will write it over here. And protein, albumin present or not? What was the dipstick? Suppose +1 at dipstick or +2 at, that we will write over here. And volume of the urine. One of the main function of the partogram is to detect early deviation from the normal progress of labor. Disorder of the first stage of labor. क्या होता है? Prolonged latent phase, disorder of the active phase. Prolonged labor means कि जो normal, I told you about the normal range. Normal range क्या होता है? There can be prolonged latent phase, there can be prolonged active phase, and there can be arrest of active phase. Okay. This is the prolonged latent phase. Latent phase मतलब कि वो कब से, मतलब she was just tip of finger for like 1 day or 24 hours. इसी में इतना ही चल रहा था. There is prolonged latent phase. Then the progress was good. Prolonged active phase means कि this is B is the prolonged active phase. The latent phase was going normally. Then the active phase was prolonged. And arrest of active phase means this is C. She is 4 centimeter dilated for like 4 hours, continuous 4 hours, she was only 4 centimeter dilated. That is arrest of the active phase. Prolonged latent means if it exceeds 20 hours in primary and 14 hours in multi. Here. This is one example of the partograph. Here we have plotted the fetal heart sound. It was 140, then it dipped to 120, then again 140, then 120. Okay. Here it was, she was 4 centimeter dilated, and after 4 hours when we examined, it was again she was 4 centimeter dilated only. Then what we did? We suppose did ARM. Okay, here it was intact. Here we did rupture of the membrane, and it was Leica was clear. What we did here for augmentation, you can see in the graph, no oxytocin were given. What we did the ARM, artificial rupture of the membrane, and Leica was clear. Then again after 4 hours we plotted, it was only how much? 6 centimeter dilated. It is beyond the action line. We are in the danger zone. So what we have to do something. So what we waited for, say 4 hours, then examined, it was the same 6 centimeter. Then the patient was delivered by cesarean section. Why cesarean section was done? Because here you can see here meconium stained Leica. And what has happened to fetal heart sound? Bradycardia. यहाँ देखो, यहाँ देखो, कहाँ देख रहे हो? यहाँ म्यूकोनियम स्टेट लाइक के साथ क्या हुआ है? क्या हुआ है? Bradycardia हुआ है. That's why, because of all these reasons combined, we had to do cesarean section. Okay. और यहाँ पे contraction क्या दिखा रहा है? Contraction were inadequate. When we say contraction adequate, more than 3 contraction in 10 minutes, lasting for more than 40 seconds. That is good uterine contraction. If it is less than that, that is inadequate contraction. So here you can see that is inadequate contraction. Okay, only 2 contraction in 10 minutes, and it is lasting for less than 20 seconds. Dot means less than 20 seconds. Here the contraction lasted for less than 20 seconds, and it was 3 contraction per 10 minutes. But other parameters were also bad. They were meconium stained Leica. And what happened to the descent of head? It was 5/5, and here when it was 6 centimeter dilated, it was 5/5 only. And after that it descended, but the other parameters were not good. That's why cesarean section was done. Here what we can see, here the patient was dilated, 4 centimeter dilated at say 12 p.m. And after 4 hours it was 6 centimeter dilated. Contraction here we can see. What is the contraction here? कितना है? 3 contraction. 3 contraction lasting for less than 20 seconds, and 3 contraction per 10 minutes. Inadequate. Then after that, what happened? The contraction increased. We have not given anything, we have not augmented it, but the contraction increased. And here Leica was clear. Fetal heart sound was 140, 130, here it was 130, and after 4 hours when we examined, the contraction was good, lasting for more, but dilatation was not good. It was the same 6 centimeter, and what we saw here, it was blood stained. It is very bad, and the molding was +2. And here the meconium stained Leica has been there, and +3 molding is there. And fetal heart sound कितना हो गया? Bradycardia हो गया. That's why combining all these things, we had to do cesarean section. तो तुम लोग से एग्जाम में पूछेंगे, पहले तो पूछेंगे what does these thing indicate? अगर ऐसा हुआ तो क्या करोगे? There will not be written कि ये किया गया है. उनसे पूछेंगे क्या क्या options है, what we can do. अगर यहाँ पे तुमको मान लो इतना तक की ग्राफ है, तो you will do कि we will augment this label. Augment करोगे, या तो already यहाँ पे Leica clear है, that means membranes has ruptured, so we can augment with oxytocin. And if the same dilation is there, then we had to deliver the baby, we can do cesarean section. And what happened to the descent? It was 3/5 whole of the time. It was 3/5 only. Why it happened? Because the baby weight was 4.6 kg. It was large, big baby. That's why it happened. It was the passenger, problem of the passenger. What can be the? Supposedly, I suppose it was thin, slightly stained with blood patient. If fetal heart sound is good, then we can wait. We can wait and wait for normal delivery. Abruptio placentae, in most of the abruptio placentae cases, we deliver it normally only. Unless until fetal heart sound or patient condition is poor, then only we will go for C-section. Okay. Or suppose the blood is sudden heavy bleeding is there, then only we will go for C-section. If there is slightly stained with blood, it is not a danger sign. To deliver, अभी कर ले, हाँ, but we have to deliver in 4 hours. हमारे पास टाइम पीरियड रहेगा, हाँ इतने टाइम में डिलीवर कर जाना चाहिए. उसमें नहीं किया then we will deliver by C-section. What happened here? Here it was 4 centimeter. After 2 hours it was same 4 centimeter. And after say 1, 2, 3, 4 hours and 6 hours. 6 hours के बाद कितना था? 6 centimeter. So what we did? We have started the oxytocin at 4 hours. ठीक है? Oxytocin start किया तो contraction increased. यहाँ पे mild contraction था, यहाँ पे moderate हुआ, यहाँ पे severe हुआ. ठीक है? What we have given? We have given 10 unit oxytocin per liter है, ध्यान रखना है. हम लोग 500 में 5 unit देते हैं. ठीक है? यहाँ पे ARM was done and simultaneously oxytocin was given. Liquor was clear, and when we examined after 1, 2, 3 hours, the baby delivered. Okay, baby weight was normal. This is suppose this was in the action line. Action line में आने से तुमको C-section करना है नहीं. You have to do something. Already you have done ARM, you have given oxytocin. Then we can wait for 2 hours. Okay, उस केस में wait कर सकते हो. Here we have waited for 2 hours. और if fetal heart sound is good, we can wait for further 2 hours. ठीक है, जब एक्शन लाइन को क्रॉस करने के बाद भी if everything is good, मेन है कि fetal heart sound में mother is good, then we can wait and watch. We can wait for more 2 hours, 1 or 2 hours. But if fetal heart sound is dropping, like bradycardia is there, or mental condition is deteriorating, like BP, hypertension हो गया, मान लो किसी का BP 180 by 100 है, mother का, fetal heart sound is good, but target attendance is 4 centimeter only, and it is 4 centimeter for like 4 hours के बाद भी 4 centimeter है. In that case, you have to do something. तो सब केस में सब चीज देखने, not just one thing, एक single thing नहीं देखोगे, पूरा ग्राफ देखने. You have to see the overall graph. और मान लो BP 180 by 100 है, and urine you have seen कि albumin है, तो obviously that is the pre-eclampsia. She might land up in eclampsia. So obviously you will have to give Mexel, and you have to do something to augment the labor. अगर augment के बाद भी नहीं हुआ तो obviously you will go for C-section. Okay. तो सब चीज को overall graph देखना है तुम लोग को हमेशा. What is the arrest of the active phase? If the progress of labor is not there for 4 hours, 4 hours के बाद तुमने monitor किया, same है, that is the arrest of active phase of labor. माना कि 2 p.m. you have done the PV, it was 4 centimeter. After 4 hours, that is 6 p.m. you have done the PV, it is still 4 centimeter. That's it, arrest of active phase of labor. Okay. What is prolonged second stage of labor? What is second stage of labor? अभी बताया था, अभी पढ़ा. From delivery of the baby. That means if that takes more than 2 hours without epidural anesthesia in a primary gravida, or if that takes more than 3 hours with anesthesia in primary gravida, that is prolonged second stage of labor. And in multigravida, if it is more than 1 hour without epidural anesthesia or more than 2 hours without anesthesia, मतलब ज़्यादातर we can wait for 2 hours. 2 hours से ज़्यादा तुमको अलर्ट हो जाना है कि नहीं, सही नहीं हो रहा है. ठीक है, she might be having obstructed labor. ठीक है, तो we have to do other methods like cesarean section. What is protection of descent? The descent is less than 1 centimeter in primary gravida and less than 2 centimeter in multigravida. What is arrest? If there is no progress of descent for 2 hours, more than 2 hours, not less than, more than 2 hours.